Yeah, wait a minute, but the blood is coming this way. Ah! Oh my god! Ah! Just go for her, right? That's what she said. Alright, let's get the show on the road. Put our hair up. I mean, if you don't have hair, then just skip that step. But this look is pretty basic. You could get everything from the 99-cent store except like one thing. I'm just applying white eyeshadow on my face because why not? Now I am applying contour on my cheekbones, down my neck, above my collarbone and underneath my collarbone, just to give that those parts a little bit of highlight, you know, define it. This is family friendly, by the way, guys. Family friendly. Next thing you want to do is just rub it all in there. Use your hands. Don't even use tools. Just rub it in because nobody got time for tools. And now just apply some black or gray eyeshadow. I use gray eyeshadow just to make it look like I'm dead and I didn't have any sleep. I really rigged it. I used lipstick, but you know what? If you have red paint, you could use that red paint too. And I put red lipstick all over my eyelids and kind of down my cheekbone to make that look like somebody punched me in the face, but not really. We just want that visual effect, you know, because we're dead. And I just repeated that on this other eye. Did it on my forehead a little bit, because why not? Somebody whacked me with like a bat. Put it all over my chin, my lips. Apply that lipstick on my mouth. And now this is a scarring liquid. I got it off of Amazon. I will put the link down below if you're interested. But it literally leaves realistic scars and it's amazing. Yeah, I just applied the red nail polish all over my face. It might not be the best thing for your skin, but why not? And then I added some black eyeshadow through the empty spots just to make it look a little, make me look a little messed up, you know. And for hair, I just wanted to do, you know, sleek sides and then a teased up middle. Obviously, if you don't have hair, you can skip this part. But if you want something dramatic, you can try it or you can do whatever you want. I can almost feel you. And once you're done with that, I got some gauze from the 99-cent store and I just started wrapping myself with it. I honestly don't know why I did this. I don't know. Dead people really aren't wrapped like this, so I don't know what went through my head. But besides that fact, I put more nail polish to make it look like fake blood. I put black eyeshadow to make it look dirty. And that is mascara. I use mascara to kind of like just rig it. And I put it all over my body and my skin. It's so bad for you. But you know what? It's all out or nothing. And I went all out. Because why not? Added more fake blood and I called it a day. Yo guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this, I don't even know what it is, but zombie dead person tutorial. I got inspired by Outlast, and that is my dog, so please excuse me. So if you like this type of video, if you want more of me doing stuff like this, let me know down in the comments down below. Hit that subscribe button because your support is always, always appreciated. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.